Okay, so welcome back, me again. So you're not going to want to miss this, okay? This I'm literally showing you my digital growth community. So if you join me on this journey and you decide that you want to start your own financial freedom journey yourself, this you will see this exact same thing. Oh, my phone's going off, of course. Okay, so um, let me just answer a couple of questions first, and I'll try to do my best. So, what is this? Okay, so this particular program is the Legacy Builder program. Okay, so what it does, it gives you the tools that you need to grow and be successful in your own digital marketing online business. Okay, and this is all that it is. My website, it's a pathway to the exact same program that I'm selling. So what the program does, it provides you with master resell rights, and you'll learn about that in the community and through all the training tutorials. I cannot stress it how easy it is to get your own uh, digital marketing online business up and launched. Like, it only took me a couple of days. I mean, if you had a couple of days off, you could literally absorb so much knowledge and so much information in that time. But I mean, you don't have to rush into it. You can take your time, and most people work. I do, right? So, if you take an hour here, an hour there after work, or you're having your morning coffee and just plug away at the training tutorials, you'll be ready to rock and roll in no time. Okay, so I did go with the Legacy Builder program. And the reason being is because it gives you four income streams where you can make that passive daily income. Okay, so when you buy the program, or if you do, this is what you'll get access to right away. So this is my login page. This is where I logged into the digital growth community, and this is what it brings me to. So I go to view all my products. Okay, so I'm going to go down, and this is the program, guys. It's all straightforward. So the Legacy Builder program here and the Passive Daily Blueprint program here, the Digital Mastery, and the Launchpad. Okay, so each of those are its own program, and each of those are available to purchase independently. Okay, so this is how it works. Um, because I bought, because I started and opt into the Legacy Builders program, it gives me the master resell rights to sell my own program, the Passive Daily Blueprint program, the Digital Mastery, and the Launchpad. So right there, 1, 2, 3, 4. That generates me 4 different income streams. Okay, they each cost different amounts. I would say 9 times out of 10, based on my experience and based on the community and just the research and the conversations that I've had with so many followers and people that are now part of the community, they've upgraded. Some I start with the Launchpad, which is the first initial course. Okay, that's $100, and it goes up. So 100, 300, 600, and 900. Okay, so when you buy the Launchpad, for instance, though, the $100 program, you don't get access to be able to sell the other programs. You buy the $100 program, you only have the master resell rights to sell that program, and you don't get to unlock half as amount of knowledge and training and tutorials and all the incredible inspirational things that come along with this community. Like, it's insane. However, if it's just a starting point for you, amazing. Same, same with all the programs. There's some excellent skills to take away from it all. But anyways, I'm just going to go right into the whole program. So the Legacy Builder program. So I'm going to go to view my product. Okay. So this is literally where you will start. Okay, once you get access to it, it's going to walk you through step by step on everything. Okay, it's going to tell you all about the program, what to expect, how to log in to Kajabi. So this is the Kajabi, okay? This is where our digital growth community is through. How to troubleshoot, how to find your products, how to navigate the lessons and modules, how to download items from Kajabi. It's so simple. Okay, and then it's going to go into a little bit more. So this is part of the Launchpad program. So what is passive income? It's just learning about all of this stuff, guys. Okay, and then it gets into a little bit more technical stuff. So this is going to be part of setting up your domain, so your website, and how to connect your sales funnel template to your domain and kind of like getting it out there. So that's where I'll go next, okay? And then it talks about how to use System IO and connect your sales funnels and your web page buttons, and you know, it even tells you how to set up Stripe or PayPal or different payment methods. Like it's amazing, okay? So there's just so much. Then there's social media training. There's 3 pages of stuff, and I mean, you don't have to watch every single one. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. I've completed all of it, just because like I enjoy learning, and I enjoy the webinars that are shared and the success stories, and you know, I love to learn too, and I like to learn and understand what it is that I'm selling. So, I mean, it makes sense, right? So that's what you'll get. You'll get access to the entire program, and you'll learn all the skills that you need to do exactly what I'm doing. And then we can access the community. So this part I love. People are just so supportive in here. We all have the same mindset and goal essentially in mind, and it's to make money and to make you make money, and help each other be accountable for making money, right? Why not? There's money to be made. This is like foolproof, okay? Um, it's it's awesome. It's pretty cool. So, anyways, you get into the community, and there's just it's like a chat, okay? You can post stuff. A lot of people have post their wins, which is their earnings and stuff, okay? Um, and it's lots of advice and help, like, oh, I'm stuck, like I don't know how to post an ad. Well, even though that's in the training, but maybe you didn't quite comprehend it, you can go to the community for so many answers, and you can filter it too. Whoops, sorry. So there, it's broken down. There's announcements, free live webinars, daily videos, and Zoom replays. You can see for yourself, okay? And there's shout outs. I've given a few people shout outs. This is what is nice. The wins. Okay. Yeah. 6 new leads. Biggest blessing. Oh, my first $900 sale. First live video. Another 900. Like there's people on here. Oh, there we go. Just shy of 7 weeks. Made $30,000. Come on, guys. You're so silly not to join this journey with me. Like I'm first $300, like it's just 200,000 in my first 8 months. Like this is literally yours, mine. It's it's our way to financial freedom, guys. It's so simple. So I'm just checking my notifications. I was waiting for a message. So okay, so that is what you get access to. And oops, sorry, that's my Instagram. And then so that's the digital growth community. That's your Kajabi. And this next part may not make sense to you right now, but if you start the training, all these dots will start connecting, and it just makes sense. Okay, so this is System IO. So essentially, what this is, it's a digital marketing platform, which is where you will set up all your sales funnels, your automated emails, and all your automations, and connect your domain with your website and your program. Okay, what is so great about starting this legacy builder program, or the daily pay, or whatever you want to refer it to? I'm referring it to legacy builder because that's what I'm doing. Okay, it's such an amazing. So I'm just gonna go back to my Instagram. You guys can stare at some pictures and videos of me for a bit. What I love about this so much is that sorry, and I have my YouTube, is that it is automated. So once you get this launched, you literally have a system that is working 24/7 for you, all hours of the day. Some days, you might not even need to work at all on this. And, your old ads from 2 weeks ago might be still generating interest, and people are going to your website and clicking on the link and opting in and learning about it themselves. And they're like, you know what? I can't, like, I need to do this for myself too. And, I'm mad at myself for not jumping on this sooner, because there's an incredible amount of proof in people in the community that have been so successful. And I'm talking about people that are literally making six figures effortlessly, for a system that like literally works for them. Um, so a few other things that I've been asked is, well, I'm not good at doing TikTok videos or going on Facebook, or I'm not comfortable showing my face and recording myself. You don't have to. You do not have to. There are so many people in our community that have chosen to do faceless marketing, and all of that is also in the training. You don't have to sit here and record yourself. I'm choosing to do this because I feel like I want to connect with my audience, and I want to let the people, particularly the ones that know me, I do have a big friend circle, and I want them to know that this is real, and that's, I'm not a robot, and they can see me and follow my actual journey in real time. So yeah, you don't have to record yourself every single day. You can go faceless. Let's see, what else can I tell you? The community, it speaks for itself. It's cool. I love it. System IO, this is where a lot of your stuff's, you're going to spend a lot of time in here during your setup. Okay. Let's see what else I can tell you. I've been taking like notes along the way. Another thing. Okay. So posting ads, pardon me. So part of this is, you want to sell, again, you have master resale rights for the program. So part of this is you want to you want to sell, right? Well, how do you do that? There are hundreds, if not thousands, of different websites that allow you to post free ads. Okay. So again, this is in the training too, but these are all just different little ad ideas, different headlines, different hooks to get people intrigued and to want to buy the program and join you on your journey. Okay. Now, this is my journey, but I want you to have your own journey as well. So yeah, you literally post ads. You can spend like 20 minutes, half an hour a day out of your 2 hours and just post ads. It's incredible. Okay. What else can I tell you? The 2 hour workday. Okay. That's all it takes. And you don't have to sit down. You don't got to sit down for 2 hours and just like hammer it out. No, guys, you don't. And you'll learn about how to manage your 2 hour workday more in the training and so forth. But your 2 hour workday can be broken up. You get up in the morning. That's what I've been doing. I get up in the morning. I spend like half an hour. I drink my coffee, drink my tea. I post ads. Okay. I'm going to try to do more lives. I'm going to try to do more videos and TikToks and Instagrams, just documenting my journey. But it's literally 2 hours is all you need. Yes, you can work more than that. It really is an incredible system. So again, if you want more information or you want to start receiving some more emails from me, your first step, you need to go to www.getpaidwithjenn.com. Put your email address in, and immediately you will have access to my blueprints, and you'll start getting more emails generated to you from me. That's going to even give you like more insight on this. Okay, guys. I want to make you money. I want to make money myself. I'm determined to climb this financial ladder. I've seen it happen time and time again in the community. And with people I know. Okay, I'm going to give you an example. I went to school with some girl way back when, and I ended up finding her on TikTok. And unfortunately, I'm not going to disclose her name because I I don't feel like I'm in a position to do that right now because she is choosing to do faceless marketing. And she literally has made $164,000 in less than 6 months. It's insane. And, I was so skeptical starting this because I didn't know anyone in real life per se um, that was showing success with doing this exact same thing. Well, that didn't last long. I now know a handful of people, real life people, that are having huge success with this, and I'm already starting to as well. It's such a good start. But yeah, I mean, 164,000 from faceless marketing. Come on. Okay. So feel free to send me a private message if you want more information. But again, start with going to getpaidwithjenn.com and start learning. Okay. I'm here to answer any questions. I want to mentor anyone that's interested and help guide you. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Bye.